Hey everyone, so today I'm going to talk about one of the most powerful and user-friendly WordPress themes like the Astra and how it perfectly integrate with the WooCommerce to help us to build stunning, high-performing and online store without writing a single line of code. So in this session, I will walk you through what makes the Astra Unix and how to use it as a site builders, its layout design flexibility, the no code designs of features, the mega menu and header footers customizations, and finally how it help you to create SEO friendly WooCommerce website that ranks, sales and very effectively. So what is Astra themes? Let's start. So about Astra theme. So Astra is one of the most popular WordPress themes, and with overall the 2 million active installations, it's known for the speed and lightweight, very performance and high customizations and deep integrations with the page builder like the Elementors, Beaver Builders, and Gutenbergs. So Astra is give the solid foundations to the designs, blog website, business website, so portfolio website, WooCommerce website. It is same frameworks. So Astra is not just themes and complete the design systems for the WordPress. So what is the site builders of the Power Astra? So Astra is a builders lets anyone build complete a website. So you can just choose the 100 of the pre-built starter template, drag and drop element and customizations your site and adjust the layout, typography, spacing and all real time. So what is the key benefits of the Astra? You don't need any coding skills and you can just import full demo website in the one click. Perfect integrations with the Elementor, Spectra, Gutenberg add-ons, and in less than 10 minutes you can launch a beautiful e-commerce stores and the powers of the Astra builders. So second thing, blocks and content features of the Astra. So what is the blogs and content features of the Astra theme? So if you are bloggers or containers, Astra offers so multiple block layout and grid list and machinery, custom post meta settings and future image control, infinite scrolling and built SEO friendly structures for the content visibility. So with the Astra, even your blog section feels and the professionals and clean designs, easy to navigations and optimizations to the reliability. So second thing we are discussing the site and layout. So what is the site's layout of the Astra theme structures? So Astra give you full control over the layout designs, page with sidebar, positions, containers, spacings and more. So you can switch the between box with full layout and fluid layouts and a different container style per page and separate designs for the home page, blogs and shop page. And the best part, all the happens with the live preview. No need to refresh the right codes. So your layout is the brand identify. So Astra ensure your designs remain the consistent and the flexibility. So next we are discussing with the no code designs. So what is the no code of the designs Astra themes? So Astra is a perfect non-developers. So with the WordPress customizer and page builder compatibility, you can so change the colors and font, button styles, adjust the headers, footers, and spacing issues, and design product pages visually. So add animations or transitions without touching the CSS or the HTMLs. So Astra is a no code the approach that means the anyone the can designs like the pro versions. So you can just need creativity and no codings. So next we are discussing with the mega menu. So what is a mega menu of the Astra? So Astra is a offers so mega menu builder which is allow you to then create a multi-columns menus and add icons, images, widget inside menu. So showcase the product categories of the offers. So improve the navigations and experience for the e-commerce store. So mega menu is a you are the visitor maps. So it is a guide from the exactly where they want to the go identify. Yeah, so very importance of the mega menu in the Astra. So next part of the headers and footers. So what is the header footers parts of the Astra? So Astra is a header footer builders is a one of the it's very strong and features. So you can create a multiples headers and footers layout, transparent, sticky, mobile views and specific. So add logos, menu, buttons, search bar, socials icon. Easily you can handle it, and button custom footers or with widgets, so copyright text and newsletter forms, everyone's. So this is give a professional structure to your the website top to bottom sections. Website is the first and last impressions come from the headers and footers. So Astra is the lead design both the elegance and controls. So next part we are discussing with the WooCommerce integrations. So what is the WooCommerce integrations of the Astra? So when it's come the WooCommerce is Astra is a perfect champions. So it is help you to build online stores like that. You can see my screen and here is a WooCommerce website. So fast and responsive conversations and focus. So fully compatible and measure payment gateway and plugin. So optimization SEO speed, so WooCommerce specific features like the grid list product layout and quick view and canvas sidebars like this one's types of, and infinite scroll product galleries and sales bubbles and cart page, this one the cart page and checkout page. So these types of the checkout page already designs are ready, this one the ready-made themes. So Astra make the WooCommerce feel like it's a was built inside the themes, so everything blend naturally. Next important topics of the SEO speed and performance. So Astra is a built-in clean and lightweight code that means your site load less than 1 seconds, work perfectly with your Yoast and rank math. Google page speed scores are consistently high and fast loadings and better SEO, high ranking and more sales. Astra give you that compatible advantage. So why choose the business? So why choose the Astra for the business and blogging website? Okay. So Astra is a business website. So here you can see that this one the business website. Okay. And personal blog website, this one the personal blog website and portfolio website, these types of portfolio website, e-commerce website. So you can see that e-commerce website, educational website, LMS website, because it is a scalables and you can start to small grow big. With whether you the beginner bloggers or the professional web developer, so Astra fits and every purpose. So real world examples. So let's say you the launchings and the clothings brand. You install the WordPress, add Astra, activate the WooCommerce, and choose starter template in the 20 minutes. So you online the fashion store is ready. So you can then connect a payment gateway, add product, and start selling. No developer needed. So yeah, that is a very fine. So if you guys is a new member, so YouTube my channel, so you can subscribe my channels and like for this video. So thank you so much.